All right, today we got a package from a customer. They sent us a door lock to a 2004 Chrysler Crossfire. Basically, they want us to make a key for this, and that's about it. We'll come back with a key made for it. All right, this puppy's done. Basically, what we did was we cut a key shell. You could stick the chip right in here, so whatever locksmith they're gonna get programming, they're gonna put the chip right there, and that's it. Once they do the programming, key works nice and smooth, nice spring action. It should work the ignition because the customer said that the key for the door lock also matches the ignition. Now, if you lost your key to your Chrysler Crossfire, you need us to help you. This is what we're going to need. We're going to need the immobilizer box inside the car sent to us, and we're going to need the door lock. And on this door lock, there's a screw right here. So if you open up your door, you remove the weather stripping a little bit, you'll be able to take that screw and then slide this right out. So we're going to need this, and we're going to need the module, and then we can make you a pre-programmed key. So if you need my help, just give me a call. Go to the website, www.acm Locksmith Group. Now, if you're calling for technical help or you need me to tell another locksmith what to do, that's not what we do. They'll have to seek out the proper training that they need to do. And that's about it. Thank you.